Hi, I'm Will from Ocular Charging, and today we're going to walk you through the installation process of the Ocular Titan. The Titan is a wall-mountable DC charger that is available in either a single port configuration with a maximum charging speed of 30 kilowatts, or as a dual port unit like this one here with a maximum charging speed of 60 kilowatts. The installation process is simple because the system comes pre-commissioned. So all you need to do is mount the charger, wire the power cabling, supply a reliable internet connection, and complete post-installation testing. Remember, only a licensed electrician can install the chargers, and all relevant safety procedures and standards must be followed. Be sure that the electrical circuit is isolated appropriately before work commences. The Ocular Titan can either be mounted to the wall like this one here, or on an optional pedestal. To mount the system on a wall, start by drilling 4 14mm diameter holes using the mounting bracket as a template. The mounting method needs to be able to support at least 150 kilograms. Mount the bracket to the wall using 4 expansion bolts. Lift the charger cabinet with an appropriate method using the lifting rings on top of the charger. Remember, the charger can weigh up to 85 kilograms depending on its configuration. Hang the charger onto the mounting bracket and then secure the cabinet to the bracket using the security screws included. The junction box on the bottom of the charger contains the input cable terminal block. Create an appropriate hole at the bottom of the junction box for the conduit size being used. Run the power cabling through the conduit and terminate it inside the junction box. The process is similar for mounting the charger to the optional freestanding pedestal. Once the pedestal is secured to the concrete pad, the charger can be lifted, hung, and secured to the back bracket in the same way that we do when wall mounting. The power and data cabling can be routed up through the stand and then into the junction box on the side of the charger. The stand comes with a replacement junction box that fits securely to the stand. For most applications, the charger will need a reliable internet connection. There are 2 options: hardwired Ethernet or using the built-in 4G modem. If you're using the 4G modem, it's likely that the SIM card has arrived pre-installed. However, if it is not, you can insert it now. To do so, ensure the charger is appropriately isolated and de-energized. Open the front door of the charger and insert the SIM card into the slot mounted on the inside of the door. For Ethernet connection, run the cable in through the data entryway, then route it up through the door and connect it to the LAN plug. Before energizing the charger, ensure all connections are secure and then provide power to the charger. You should see the LED lights illuminate green and the screen will come on. It's now time to complete post-energization testing following AS/NZ 3000 Section 8. Once the charger is powered on, you can check the status of the internet connection using the front screen of the charger. These icons indicate the status of the charger. If they are white, it is connected. If it is gray, it has been disabled. And if it's white with an exclamation mark, it has failed to connect. This icon indicates the OCPP connection status. This icon indicates the Ethernet connection status. This one indicates the 4G connection status. And finally, this one indicates the Wi-Fi connection status, which we do not use for commercial applications. And that's it. Your Ocular DC Titan is now installed and ready to charge. For more detailed instructions and troubleshooting, please refer to the DC Titan installation guide. For more information about this or our complete range of EV chargers, please visit ocularcharging.com.au, and thanks for watching.